Hello everyone, Anten'it Library Software is a tool to make Anten'it products easier to use. On this page you will find videos and tutorials as well as the latest news about Anten'it. You can find antenna experiment sheets, antenna models of the antennas involved in the experiments and brick model files of the parts included in the kits. You can read or download the experiment sheets. You can import 3D CAD files into any EM simulation tool and simulate them by entering the material properties and assigning ports. You can download the material properties from the software and enter them into the simulation tool. By downloading CST Studio simulation models, you can simulate directly without the need to enter material properties or assign ports. Similarly, you can download the Empire XPU model files and simulate them without any other settings. You can download individual block files as 3D CAD files in step file format. Similar to the Antenna Training Kit, you can download experiment sheets, microwave component 3D CAD and model files or individual block files for the Microwave Training Kit. You can find the datasheet booklet and antenna building instructions, model files of numerous antennas and waveguide components and individual brick models. The datasheet booklet contains measurement results for many antennas as well as building instructions. Even if you are not an antenna engineer, you can build many antennas by following these instructions. There are 18 antenna types, 6 waveguide component types and 1 integrated model at the moment. We are adding new types in new versions of this software. There are many models of axial mode helical antenna with different frequency, gain, and polarization. Each antenna has a datasheet booklet, building instructions, 3D CAD file, CST Studio, and Empire XPU files. You can also download the individual block files for these kits as 3D CAD files in step file format. Similar to the antenna kits, similar documents and model files are available for the microwave kits. There are 12 microstrip component types, 6 waveguide component types and an integrated model at the moment. You can select inches or meters for theoretical antenna patterns and toolbox sections. You can simply calculate the theoretical antenna patterns and see the radiation patterns. There are currently 6 types of antenna calculations. There are currently 3 types of filter calculations in the toolbox. Different coefficient options are also available for each filter. Anten'it. Enjoy electromagnetics.